In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a WordPress website on HostGator. So whether you've backed up your site and need to bring it back to life, or you're just aiming to get a grip on managing your site files, I'm here to guide you through the entire process, step by step. Let's get started. We're going to begin by logging into your HostGator cPanel account. If you're not familiar with cPanel, it's essentially a control panel where you can manage your hosting environment with ease. Once you're in, it's time to locate the File Manager. This tool is crucial because it allows you to navigate your website's server files. When you open File Manager, you'll want to head to the public HTML directory. This is the folder that houses your website files, so it's the perfect place to restore your backup. Next, it's time to upload your WordPress backup. You may have a zip file or individual files you've saved from before. Head over to the Upload option in the File Manager. This feature allows you to select files from your computer and transfer them to your server. If your backup is in zip format, that's perfectly okay. Once uploaded, locate the file, right-click it, and select Extract. This action will decompress your archive, placing all your website files right where they need to be. The journey doesn't end there. We've got our files in place, but now we need to handle the database, which is a vital piece of the WordPress ecosystem. For this, we turn to PMyAdmin. Navigate there from your cPanel dashboard. Once inside PMyAdmin, you'll want to import your database backup. To do this, click on the Import tab and choose your exported database file. It's typically a .SQL file, and PMyAdmin will guide you through the process to ensure everything is imported correctly. Alright, so now that your database is in place, we need to make sure that WordPress can communicate with it properly. This requires a quick edit to the wp-config.php file, which is essentially the bridge between your website files and your database. Head back to File Manager, locate this file, and open it. Here, you'll need to update the database credentials, things like the database name, username, and password. These should match what's set up in your cPanel. Once you've made those updates, it's time for the moment of truth. Test your website. Open your web browser and navigate to your site's URL. You want to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you encounter any issues, it may involve rechecking database credentials or ensuring all files were properly extracted and uploaded. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to restoring your WordPress website using HostGator's cPanel. This process, while technical, empowers you to efficiently manage and recover your site, keeping your web presence active and thriving.